Hi Ria. How's everything going? Hi Tom. I am good, thanks. Just thinking about the future and what I want to do with my life. That's great. Have you thought about what your aspirations are? Well, I have always dreamed of becoming a teacher. I love working with children and helping them learn new things. That's a wonderful aspiration. Teaching is a noble profession. What subjects would you like to teach? I am passionate about English, so I would love to teach that. It is such a wonderful language, and I want to help others improve their English skills. That sounds fantastic. You would make a great English teacher. How do you plan on achieving this aspiration? I am currently studying education at university. I want to get my degree and gain some teaching experience. Then I will apply for teaching position at a school. That's a solid plan. I am sure you will achieve your dream of becoming an English teacher. Do you have any other aspirations besides teaching? Well, I have always had a love for photography. I enjoy capturing special moments and telling stories through pictures. I would like to explore that passion more and maybe ever have my own photography business someday. That's fantastic. Pursuing photography alongside teaching would be a great combination. You have so much talent and potential, Sarah. Thank you, Tom. It means a lot to hear that from you. You're welcome, Sarah. I have no doubt you will achieve all your aspirations. Just stay focused and determined, and you will get there. I will. Tom, thank you for your support and encouragement. Personal achievements. Hi, David. I heard you recently accomplished something significant. Can you tell me about it? Hi, Emily. Yes, I am really proud of myself. I just ran my first half marathon over the weekend. Wow. That's impressive, David. How did you train for it? Thank you, Emily. I trained for several months, gradually increasing my distance and pace. I followed a training plan and made sure to stay consistent with my workouts. That's great dedication, David. How did you feel during the race? It was challenging but also exhilarating. There were times when I wanted to give up, but I pushed through and focused on crossing the finish line. I can only imagine the sense of accomplishment you must have felt when you completed the race. Absolutely, Emily. It was a mix of exhaustion and joy. Crossing that finish line was one of the proudest moments of my life. I can see what motivated you to take on this challenge. Well, I wanted to challenge myself physically and mentally. Running a half marathon was on my bucket list, and I wanted to prove to myself that I could do it. That's admirable, David. I'm inspired by your determination. Do you have any other goals related to running? Yes. My next goal is to run full marathon. I know it will require even more training and effort, but I am excited to take on the challenge. I have no doubt that you will achieve that goal too, David. Your hard work and perseverance will get you there. Thank you, Emily. I appreciate your support and encouragement.